Namaste yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Pratika and today we will be learning about how to do the pigeon pose. If you are a beginner, it's the perfect place to start from. It's the perfect video for you to start from. So let's explore. Get something comfortable for yourself and let's get started. Yes? So we will start from here. Let's all come in the tabletop position first. Yeah, this is where you can start from. Now slowly take your left leg up, straight up, and bring that same leg in front between your palms. Yes? Let's gently sit here. So both the legs are differently rotated. Like your left leg is rotated outwards and your right leg is inwards. Your quads are getting stretched, you're opening your hips, but also they are in two different movements. Yes? So you just have to see. If you are not able to sit here like this, you can start from here also. Like you can keep your foot here and gently come up, and you can start from here. If you are a beginner, you can use the block, you can support yourself, and you can start from here by hanging up yourself in the air. Yeah, you can just play around with the height of the block if you want, this much or this much, as much as you want. Yes? So when you're done with this, you can slowly release your foot. You can relax. Try and take this foot a little bit out and try and drop your weight here on your right hip. Yes? Try and draw your weight on your right groin region. Don't forget to breathe. Take long deep breaths in the pose. Keep holding the pose. Whenever you start any pose, it's good to hold any pose for at least a minute. You can start with 10 seconds, then 30 seconds, then 40, and then you can go up to 1 minute. That's how you will increase your pace, your strength, your flexibility. Yes? Okay. So remember to put your weight on your left hip also, so that your groin region is down. It's completely okay if your groin region is up hanging. Yes, it's completely okay. So for that, I told you, you can just tuck in your toes. Either you can stay here, you might be here. You can open up your heart and you can lengthen up your spine. You can also hold here. If you can slowly go down, you can relax your foot and you can relax your knee. And remember to, your toe, your leg should be totally engaged. It should not be loose. Yeah? Your thigh, knee and toe. Your toe shouldn't be in, it should not be in. Yeah? It should be straight, facing towards the back, and your thighs, knees, your calf muscles and your toe, everything should be totally engaged. So you keep your body up straight, you hold. You might have seen some people like, there are a lot of videos on internet people who do the pigeon pose, keeping their feet here and going down. So it's completely okay if you're not, it's very good because they are a lot flexible, but it's completely okay if you're not able to do it. You can just start from here and then you can eventually go in more deep in the pose. Yeah. Okay, now again take a long deep breath in, lengthen up your spine, and exhale. Keep taking long deep breaths. You can also play around with your upper back, your upper body, so you can come down, you can place your elbows on the floor. Firstly, you can either take your hands in front. If you can do more, you can take your elbows down on the floor. And if more, you can take your head down on the floor. If not, you can use the block also. Yeah, you can use the block also. You can use the block according to your height if you want. You can keep your head here, here, or more down. Yeah. And slowly inhale, come up. And let's do the same for the other leg. Yes. So again, you can come back to the tabletop position. Stretch your right leg back and bring the leg near to your chest and in between your palms. Yeah. Again, if you're not able to sit, you are like you are hopping on to this side, you can completely use a cushion also, or maybe a block to keep it under your buttocks. Yes. If not, you can use a cushion also to keep it under your buttocks so that your body is up. Yes, so that your spine is straight, your heart is open, you are correctly in the pose so that your knee is down, your knee is facing down on the mat, your back leg is totally engaged. Keep breathing, take long deep breaths, engage the whole body, engage your right hip also, push it down. If you're comfortable without the cushion also, you can just let it go. Yes, just push your right hip down also at that same time where your left groin region is down. You just have to balance both the sides and keep pushing it down and lengthening up your spine up. Yeah. Keep breathing. Take long deep breaths. Keep smiling. If you're a beginner, keep smiling. Feel the pain. It's a good pain actually. Yeah, you can actually feel that your muscles are opening up, your body is opening up. It's a good pain. And slowly let's come back. So this was all about pigeon pose. If you're a beginner, you can start from somewhere, you can start from here. It will completely help you a lot. And thank you for stopping by my video, and thanks for joining me. And you can leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have any questions, you can just leave your comment below. And I'm very grateful that you guys have joined me in this video today, and I hope it will help you a lot. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel, please, if you haven't up till now. And thank you so much for being here. Namaste.